The boom of a D-30 Howitzer rings in the air during the last D-30 certification of the Afghan 201st Corps. This three-day event was run entirely by the Afghan Army.
It's a very proud moment to see them in the lead and doing the certifications on their own and us doing minimal support. We're basically just bringing them out here and they're doing all the work.
The Afghan soldiers target a terrain feature roughly 5 miles away and must hit within 570 yards. This requires the coordination of forward observers, the fire direction center, the survey team, and the gun line. Luckily, several Afghan master gunners are on site making sure everything goes smooth, which they should, considering these teams are already doing real fire missions.
During this past elections, there were numerous fire missions throughout the Corps in support of the elections, and there was zero civilian casualties. It was all safe and accurate fires.
The Fire Direction Center and forward observers ensure the artillerymen fire the D-30's 122mm rounds accurately so they can support the Afghan troops on the front lines.
By safely and accurately firing the D-30, it allows them to work better hand in hand with the infantry, thus giving them a stronger army and allowing them to secure their nation.
Artillery for the Afghan National Army is a huge step for them. Once coalition forces start pulling out and leaving, they weren't going to have that air support that they normally have and they rely on. So with them relying more on these D-30s, they'll be able to support their troops that are out there in the open and fighting against the Taliban and other organizations.
The certification was a success. More than 30 Afghan soldiers received their certification on the howitzer that will be the future of their artillery. Reporting from Nagluhai, I'm Army Staff Sergeant Daniel Sullivan.